Okay, for this smoke, you line yourself up here with the railing and aim to the right of the shadow, where you can either match with this. You can aim like that, and left click jump throw. It lands in front of toilets, and you can just flash. Your teammates can flash mid easily and take mid quite easily with that smoke. So no one inside the toilets is being a disturbance for no reason. And you can also go down and help your teammate in connector. And for bank, I like to use the smoke next to aim next to the WC sign and just left click jump throw. That should land inside bank pretty nicely. And you just stand here for dumpster. Aim on the left of the lamp, and that's it. Your A side is smoked. And use these flashes just to go into the side. That flash works pretty fine. I'll show you 2 smokes from long. You can ask your teammate to drop you a smoke here on this corner. This smoke is for dumpster, and this smoke is for bank. So you can easily take control of this side. I'd also like to pair the smoke or smokes up with a flash from here, which lands in front of the truck or on top of the truck. So your team is coming with banana or not flash. Neither are you. It's a pretty good flash. Anyone holding like this should be flashed. Anyone hiding behind here should be flashed. Of course, no one from the holding the right side should be flashed. So be careful. You can ask your teammate for better flashes as well. You can communicate that. For B side, I like to use 2 smokes, one for heaven and one for bridge. While you're rushing B side, you should always ask your team, or you should always flash short like this yourself. I've seen drops do that as well. It's a pretty good flash. And for the bridge smoke I was talking about, you aim on the edge of this window here, lining yourself up with this. It's just a left click throw. And as for the heaven smoke, you don't aim here anymore. You used to aim like that on CSGO, but now you aim at the electrical wire and just left click throw, and like in between these 2 things, just left click throw. That's a pretty silent smoke. And as I also like to pair myself up with this nade when I'm smoking for pillar. So anyone's playing near mid side or something, they should, when this nade lands, they should be like kind of the audio goes muted, right, when you get naded. So you can easily like chuck in flashes and they're completely dead blind and they can't even hear much, and you can easily take side control because heaven is smoked, this side is smoked. So the one guy on side is probably gonna be flushed by you two. And also like learn this molly as well. It's pretty easy. While you're using that nade, you can also just check this molly for barrels. Anyone playing barrels should be kind of molly. So it's pretty easy take. If your teammates are coming from monster, they can just use a couple of flashes as well, and you can take the side. But yeah.